bad. The Susanoo is the receiving vessel. He's merging all the scattered chakra into one Old Man Six-Path's level. Quite well, too. Almost unrivaled. Something incredible's going to emerge. Stay alert.
You can't win against me now.
You ready yet?
Too much, in fact. It's everything that's available. Here it comes. Let's do this.
How'd he suddenly gain so much nature energy? I can feel it.
All right!
Finally decided to kill me, huh?
Wait a minute!
You can't win against me now. This fight will be my last.
You guys are rolling. Although, not against the current you.
Indra's arrow, currently the most powerful jutsu in my arsenal. Just die!